Hey there, Crunchified Clean friends. Come watch a full-length video of how I mopped my clients' gorgeous wood floors. And I only used eco-friendly cleaning products. You don't need toxic chemicals. You don't need tons of different products. You don't need bleach. I own a green certified award-winning cleaning business in the Poconos Mountains, and I specialize in using eco-friendly cleaning products. So here's the full-length video, and I'm not going to be talking over the video so you can enjoy it in its entirety. So please like, follow, share, comment, love my video. It can help me greatly, and I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel, and check out the comments if you want to see where to grab these awesome cleaning products. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.